Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaliyah and you're watching Leah's World.
The Harris baby, big mama can't get lazy. I can't get lazy, nigga.
I wanted to do like a Disney intro. I think that was really cute. So I am on my period. So we are having like a self-care to kind of give me a boost. I haven't recorded anything for my vlog like at all. For my spend a week in the life of me vlog, and I feel so bad. But like when I'm on my period, I don't have the energy to do anything. Anything. So I'm gonna do some self-care things. I have to clip this mic. I'm not used to having a mic after not having a mic for so long. So let me clip it and then come back. I'm gonna do this peach moisturizing lip mask. We're gonna do this crystal collagen powder golden eye mask and this rice essence mask sheet. And then we're gonna do my nails. My nails are really ugly right now. Like, oof. So I'm gonna do my nails as well. And what else was I say I was gonna do? Oh, we're also gonna do my lashes. We're gonna do So we're gonna do lip mask, eye mask, face mask, my lashes, my nails. And that's gonna be my self-care vlog. And I'm gonna do my eyebrows. We're gonna do the eye mask first. If I could open it. Okay, I got it open. Do her looking in the mirror. I know there's a certain way to do it, like, but it also depends on what you're trying to. Because I looked and I was like, how do you do it? And it said it really depends on what you're trying to do it for. Like, I'm trying to think of the word. Oh my gosh. What your goal is with the patch. But I just do it this way. Oh, okay. So I'll be able to do it on camera. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, let's see. Okay, I don't know what the right way is to do your eyebrows. I just know this way cleans them how I want them to be cleaned. Okay, and I'll do my other eyebrow off camera. My eyebrows have always been cousins, not even really twins or sisters. We've always been cousins. And I should say, I know how to do other ways with my eyebrows, but this is the least painful way because I'm an esthetician. So like I know, dang, I know there are other ways, but this is the least painful way that I'm willing to do. The face mask next. This is the Rice Essence mask by, I don't remember the brand. It's right here. Esfolio. I bought this a while ago and it doesn't expire until next year. So like, period. Okay. We are going to figure out how to unwrap this. Okay. That. Okay, I got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of product on here. I forgot. Because I bought this mask twice. Like a whole box of them twice. Now I can't find them. I bought it at TJ Maxx. Now I can't find them at TJ Maxx. Okay. Let me everything for 20 minutes, and then I'll probably show you guys some clips of the things I do while I wait. But yeah, here we go. It's getting ready. Well, sure. Okay. Okay. So I didn't record anything that I did, but I did grab my glass of wine. It's not wine because I'm doing my nails. It's iced tea. But it was cute for the thumbnails. I added my robe as well just to really do the self care vibe. So yeah, let's take off the face mask. Oof, oof. Oh, oh. And then let's take off the eye mask. Ooh, this whole thing is just slippery, slippery, slippery. Okay, and I'm gonna really wash my hands so I can deeply pat it in. Okay, we're just gonna deeply. I feel okay. I'm gonna find my lip thing and then I'll be back to do that. But hold on, let's get a sip of this wine. Okay, BRB. Are we excited? I finally got my mic. Like, I know y'all can finally hear me and you're happy you can finally hear me. What? With no background sound? Because this mic is actually really good. You can hear nothing in the background. These were not the lip balm that I was looking for. Like, I have to mix them because both colors on me kind of look odd. But together, it kind of neutralizes them both. I don't know how to explain it. This is by the same brand of my body wash. I have to make myself dinner still. So what we're gonna do is start on my nails, do the base. I'm not gonna show my nail process though, because I do want to do a whole separate video on how I do my nails. So I'm just gonna like show clips of that. And then I'm gonna make my dinner. I'll show little clips of that too. And then we're gonna go back to doing my nails. Or when I do my lashes and then my nails. We'll see what I'm feeling like doing. If I want to continue most of the video without my lashes or have my lashes halfway through. Let's go do my nails. Okay, so this is the, what is this? LL BRB. This is the LED cure machine. I don't know what it's called. It's not called like just LED. Oh, it's on the thing. UV LED nail lamp. LOL. These are the nail tips I'm using at the moment. They are square. Before I was using almond. Now I use the square ones because I like square now. I still love almond though. Don't get me wrong. I have no idea what color. We shall pick the color together. This I really just use Beetles brand. This is Beetles brand nail kit. I use the Beetles nail glue for the nail tips for the UV light. And then I use this rhinestone glue brand I got from Amazon. And I use the 100 by 180. I almost call these rulers, LOL. Nail files. These are the things I use for my cuticles and nail clippers. So let's pick the color together. We have reached August. I'm thinking something pink. I want something really pink to finish off August. So I'm thinking all of my pinks. I also have a different pink set, but I think I'm gonna just stick to the Beatles for now. These are kind of really hard to get out. I'm not gonna lie, so I cannot do it one-handed. So I'll show you guys the colors I choose and the nail sizes when I get my nail sizes and choose the colors. When I'm on my period, yes, I do my nails on my bed. I'd be lazy. But these are the two colors I'm doing. I'm just doing these light pinks. They I don't know if you could tell if they're light pinks, but they're light pinks. These are my nails. I don't know if I'm gonna make them long or cut them. I'm still debating. Going from my pinky to my thumb. And these are the tools I'm gonna use. And I do use mini brushes and acetone to get around my sides. I should pull those out and show y'all. They are pretty dirty. You can tell I do be using them. I really do. They're pretty dirty. But yeah, so we're about to do them. And I'm just gonna do something simple because my toes don't look ugly. I'm not gonna show them, but they don't look ugly. Like they look and they hold up so much better than my nails. So but they're the same way my nails were, which were different colors. If I took pictures, I'll show pictures. But they were different colors. And now they are not different colors on my hands because I don't feel like doing that. I really don't. Like I was up for hours doing different colors on my nails and my feet. I'm not doing that now, and I'm just doing my nails. So I'm just gonna do those light pinks, and there is pink on my big toe, so it's fine if you ask me. So yeah, I'll show y'all some clips gradually. Before I clean up, here is the nails. I'm gonna clean up, reshape, all that good stuff. And I might add another coat to my thumb, definitely. Okay, besties, I'm not gonna lie, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning, but nails are done. Oh my god, my light isn't on. Hold on. Okay, better. I'm tired, I'm not going to lie. But my nails are done. We're Hello Kitty cute pinky. Yes, yes, yes. I'm about to do my lashes. I see hair and I love them. Between these two, I cut them into 3 to 4 pieces depending on how big they are and what I'm gonna do, how I'm styling them. I'm super hot. LOL. Okay. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do these though. But yeah, I'm gonna cut them and do a little tutorial. Not tutorial, just like showing you a part of my like self-care reset DIY thing. We I thought I turned this on. So my mic was off the whole time. I do apologize. I thought it was on. It's very quiet. It's already 2 o'clock. Nobody in my house is awake or doing. I'm gonna go. That's so funny. Now I'm gonna go get this stuff. Just my scissors. And they set this bond on my actual lashes, and then I put the seal when I'm done, and I put this on the lashes. This keeps your lashes on for how like so long. But I only do this combo when I really want to wear lashes for a while, and I really like this style, so I want to see how I wear them. And okay, we're just waiting for the first coat of glue to dry. I learned this trick a long time ago on, I don't know from who, like a long time ago. Like I've been doing this lash thing since I was in high school. Let me. Both sides, I add a layer of glue, then I think I do 3 layers. Honestly, I use any bond. Like I just happened to pick this up and I think I was in like Walgreens or something. But I might have actually got this from Ulta. But I also use bonds from Amazon if I get kits with the already like pre-sectioned lashes. I use the glue bond seal that comes with them. I don't know. I haven't really found one that's like my all-time favorite yet. So, okay, we're gonna add another layer and wait for it to go back. Go back. Wait for it to dry for the next layer. You had the nerve to defend mistakes that you made. Why are they so like? Okay, hey besties, we are all prepped and all cute and self care and maintenance, everything. We've done our nails, we've done our lashes, we shaped our eyebrows, hair just stays cute. I'm gonna do my toes because my toes are still looking good, so we're gonna save my toes. But right now, we're gonna wax, but I'm not gonna show me waxing. I'm sorry. But that is also gonna be part of my maintenance. We're just waxing my armpits because we're going to the beach tomorrow. So yeah, if you did enjoy this vlog, like, subscribe, come back for more. Would love to have you here, bestie. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.